Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to change last name on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will land on the settings page. Now tap on See More in Account Center icon. Tap on Profiles at the top. Select your Facebook account. Tap on Name. Here you can change your last name. After you're done, tap on Review Change at the bottom. Tap on Save Changes. And that is how to change last name on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.